So before starting the video, I want to tell you something very important, and this advice will definitely going to save a lot of your time in post-production. And that advice is buy yourself a microphone which is capable of at least some amount of noise cancellation. I'm not saying to buy something expensive DJI tech. A simple microphone with noise cancellation, that's all it takes. So let's begin with the tutorial. So let's open our software first and give our project file a good name. Let's give it a name voice over first. So after that, open the project. So as you can see that we are in cut page, so we will move to the edit page, and after that we will go to the Fairlight. So we can see that there is nothing over here right now. So after that, let's check the Fusion page. There is nothing over here as well. Now we'll go to edit page and we will make a Fusion composition. So we will make a Fusion composition. We will keep the frame rates 60, and then we will create our first Fusion clip. So now we will drag it over here and we will expand it. Yep. And now we will go to Fairlight again, and now we can see we have audio 1 over here and bass 1. So now we will change the name. Again we will give it a name voiceover first, and now we will check is there anything patched yet in the input. So there is nothing patched yet in the input, so let's try. So let's see what happens. So as soon as I click the record button, you can see that there is no wave formation over here, which means that nothing is recording on the device. So we will stop it, we will try it again, and as you can see nothing is happening. And the reason behind it is that we haven't assigned any external microphone or internal microphone to our software from which it can take feed. So now what I do, I will try to patch internal microphone, which is my MacBook microphone, with the software so that I can use that microphone for recording purpose. So let's patch it and then let's try it again. So as soon as you push this record button, just keep in mind that you also have to toggle this record button next to audio track AE so that you can take feed from your device microphone. And as a visual indication, you can see these green bars over here, which shows that your device is able to take feed from your device microphone. And one more thing, keep this speaker on while you are listening to your voice, and keep this button off while you are recording. Also switch off your microphone input if you are not recording your voice. Now we will see how we can pair our external microphone with our device. So what we need to do, we need to go to the input. So as we are in the input, we can see that there is no option available for external microphone. So what we need to do, we need to patch our external microphone with our device, and to do that we need to go to some other settings which is not available here. So what we will do, we will close it and we'll go to the DaVinci Resolve settings. Over here we will select preference. From preference we will go to video and audio I/O. From there we will go to the input device. We will change our input to external microphone, and then we will change our output to MacBook Pro speakers, so which is my device speaker. And after that we will save our settings, and after saving it we can go to input again, and then we can see there is option available for external microphone. We will patch it, we will close it, and then again we will repeat the process for recording. So now as you can see that these indicators are showing that my device is getting feed from the microphone, which is a positive symbol. And now let's start recording, and as soon as I click the record button, you can see there is a wave formation which indicates that my voice is getting recorded on my device. And that's it. Now you know how to set up your Fairlight page so that you can record your voice, or you can do voiceovers for your videos. And that pretty much it is. And if you want to listen to your voice, first turn off your microphone input and then turn on your speakers output, and now you can listen to your recording. And you can also make adjustment in your voice, which we will discuss in our next video. And that's it for the day. So see you guys and take care. Bye bye.